95% of this country is pure desert. No rivers, no lakes, almost zero rainfall. And yet, every single day, this nation delivers billions of liters of fresh, clean drinking water to 37 million people. Not from the ground, not from the sky, from the sea, over 300 kilometers away. Saudi Arabia has built something that shouldn't be possible. A hidden river of steel buried beneath one of the most hostile landscapes on Earth. This is not science fiction. This is the most ambitious water infrastructure ever constructed by human hands. And today, you're going inside it. You will see how Saudi Arabia manufactures steel pipes the size of tunnels and blasts through solid mountain rock to lay them, then performs a molecular miracle ripping salt from seawater atom by atom using pressure so extreme it would crush a submarine. Saudi Arabia is the 12th largest country on Earth, and 95% of it is desert. The average annual rainfall? Less than 100 millimeters. Beneath that same bone-dry desert sits over 40 trillion liters of oil. Saudi Arabia is the richest in energy and the poorest in water. Before a single drop of water can cross the desert, the pipeline that carries it must be built. These pipes are 1.8 meters in diameter, wall thickness 25 millimeters of high-strength carbon steel, the same grade used in deep sea oil and gas pipelines. The pipes are fed through a multi-axis rolling machine where powerful rollers gradually bend the steel step by step until both edges meet perfectly. Then comes welding. A continuous longitudinal weld fuses the seam shut under intense heat. Every edge is then precision ground. Each finished pipe section measures 12 meters long, short enough to be transported through the desert on flatbed trucks. Every kilometer must be surveyed with GPS and terrain mapping equipment. The route must avoid weak soils and shifting sand zones. Then the excavators move in. Massive tracked machines carve a trench along the marked alignment. The depth and width are precise. A carefully prepared bedding layer of fine sand is spread along the trench floor, first leveled and compacted. Automated welding systems run continuously, up to 150 welds completed per day. Every single joint is then inspected using automated ultrasonic scanning. Now here is where this story gets truly extraordinary. The harder problem is this: seawater contains 3.5% salt. The process begins offshore. Large intake lines pull seawater from several hundred meters out at sea. Screens block jellyfish and small fish. Then the water reaches the most critical stage of all: reverse osmosis. Salt ions cling to water molecules through electrostatic attraction. It is under 60 bar of pressure, 60 times atmospheric pressure, enough to force water molecules through an ultrafine membrane. What started as seawater full of salt, sediment, and bacteria has become clean, mineral-balanced, safe drinking water. Pipeline construction alone averages $3 million US dollars per kilometer. Saudi Arabia pays 50 to 100 times more for every liter. Saudi Arabia now produces over 20% of the world's total desalinated water, responsible for a fifth of all water produced globally. That is what happens when engineering meets necessity. That is colossal. If this video gave you something, hit subscribe.